I wasn't sure until you actually said that. So
I just, as we come into here, I just heard bang.
well, you have to go straight down there. I reckon it's going to be interesting.
Well, the rain set in. It's going to be here all afternoon. It's going to be here all night. So what we'll do is we'll set up just a small tent here. So if it does pour down, at least we've got something to cover.
Yeah.
We're going to check your cameras and we'll just see what happens through the night.
Yep.
All right, let's move on. We'll just be quiet. I feel like we're being watched, eh?
Yeah.
Big
See
time.
that thing when we're coming down?
Yeah, big
We're
time.
being watched.
This area just feels like that. Yeah, mate, these rocks are slippery.
Yeah, it's wet and slippery.
Oh, yeah, I heard something. I heard something go. Ugh.
My very phone was actually 2 weeks down here, and then we got something on film. We've got an image. I will show up a little bit later. I'll show you that soon. But right now, Yowi's on the hunt on another day. It's raining, and we're out here in the rain, and it's very slippy. And you can see the sunshine.
Oh yeah, another thing, viewers, what Jason's wearing when you're out in the bush or out in the forest hiking, bright colours is a no-no. He's wearing bright yellow. So
Oh yeah.
we stick very close together tonight.
Bright yellow, guys. Never wear bright colours out in the bush. I'm standing out like dog's balls. Alright, so it's going to be interesting to see if I can attract some. Let's do this.
Yeah, no, exactly. But we listen to a lot of researchers out there, and there's other documentaries we watch out there regarding bright colours, and
Especially 411.
yeah,
411. Get on YouTube and check out 411. That's awesome and scary doc. It's right there where people are going missing around the world wearing bright colours as well.
yeah. David Politis has documented a lot of information regarding these cases. So yeah, if you check on YouTube, David Politis, missing 411, have a look. But that's a subject for another day, because we've got to keep going and we don't want to spook ourselves out. So
Yeah.
next time just wear a dull colour of black, Jace.
I'll look for one, yep.
All right, let's continue.